Hey, this is Johnny, and just here on Chief Talk, and someone is looking to create this tray ceiling with the moldings. I'm not sure if there's light, beaded light in there, but I was just going to go ahead and give some advice on the actual ceiling detail and the molding. Um, just create a real quick mounting box for our living room area. Just obviously, whatever you have in your plan is what you'll use. Just create a make room polyline here. So it's just that one button, and it just creates a polyline that borders that entire room. Then I'm going to go ahead and convert that. Sorry, there it is. Okay, convert that to a polyline solid. I could also use a slab, but let's go ahead and set that to 10 inches, and we'll say floor to top 9'1". Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy paste in place, and let's come in. So what I'm doing is I have a copy of the molding the polysolid, and let's bring this in. I'm just making up some numbers here. Actually, let's do 24 inches. 24 inches. Inches. Okay, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to say hole in polyline solid, and then I'm going to come in and create a break here. Now this is where I would use, just as a reference, I mean, I'm not going to do this on each one of them, but I would use some kind of circle to give you some guidance, so that you can create a well uniformed appearance. Go back to here real quick, and yeah, and that way you can copy these into the four corners and shape accordingly. But I'll do the first one here. Example, back here, and I'll take the center line there. I'm just gonna, and sorry, what that is the change line to arc. So I've changed that interior line to an arc, and I could copy and reflect this about here, reflected about all this, and do the exact same thing on all these corners. But in the interest of time, I'm just going to do it on this one corner. And I could keep that there, obviously. So let's look and see what we have so far. Yeah, and I can go ahead and pick. Coloring is not that important. Actually, I don't want that. There you go. Coloring is obviously not that important for this video, but I've created that shape and that ceiling detail. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to select on that hole. I'm going to do the same thing, copy, paste in place, and now I'm going to convert that, what I just did, into, sorry, I don't know why I can't see it there. Huh, normally I thought you could in fact convert. Just hold on. Alright, sorry about that. I'm learning myself. So I'm going to copy, paste in place, then I'm going to convert it into a poly line again, and now I'm going to convert that polyline into a molding polyline. And I'll set the molding here as a crown mold of some sort. Let's just that. Set. You probably want to use a certain particular crown mold. I'm just trying to demonstrate. Let me go back in here real quick. Okay, yeah. All right, let me go back to my camera. Oops. Let's go ahead and get this elevated to it's 10 inches, so 8'2". And I have to adjust that, but anyhow, let me paint this more of a white so that we can see what it is we're dealing with. And you can kind of see where that would work out. On the other corners, the if I look, there is an indentation there. I don't know how deep it is. Um, and I don't know if there's lighting in amongst there, but and it's a shallower depth. So, but as far as the method, excuse me, as far as the method, I think you get the idea there. So, anyhow, hope that helps.